Okay, so yes, if you go to the course webpage, you'll find this document on the presentations. So during the ASU exam period, specifically on May 3rd and 5th, we'll have in-class presentations where each person will get a total of 7 minutes to discuss some aspect or multiple aspects of one or both of their projects. And so in this presentation, essentially want to choose one or two things that you thought were particularly interesting or challenging, or where you learned something about this pre-rupture mapping. And so you will, it can be quite similar to what you put into your report. The main idea is just that we see what everyone has been working on for the second 2 months of this class, and we have a brief discussion. And so each person will prepare a presentation that lasts 5 minutes, and then we'd like you to leave 2 minutes after that for questions from your classmates. And so present for a total of 7 minutes. Just to be clear, we will watch the time carefully. So yeah, prepare a presentation, use what you know to make a high quality presentation. So you want to include some sort of introduction, give us context for what you've done, then discuss those 1 or 2 features that you thought were interesting. They can both be from your first project or your second project or a combination. So it's really up to you what you decide to talk about. And do suggest that you write your presentation and then you practice it several times in advance. We'll probably be able to know if you did practice it, because your presentation will be better. But in the end, yeah, we do hope that this is just a fun activity and that everyone appreciates the opportunity to learn and see what your classmates have also been doing over the semester. And so most of you presentations will be May 3rd and 5th. We've had a couple requests from people who will be in the field for one of or both of those days for specific times. So if you do have a strong request, please let one of us know and we'll do our best to accommodate that. And then, so we've also posted the rubric, which is here. So this is a breakdown of how we'll be grading presentations. So you can review this on your own time, the portion for substance, your presentation style, and answer the question. If we do ask, expect that each person ask at least one question to their classmates during the period. Are there any questions? So yeah, just to review, these are on May 3rd and 5th during normal class time. That's the exam period, at least at ASU. And the final reports for everyone, at least the ASU students, are very strictly due on or before May 3rd. There are other questions? Is there a UNR question, Rich?
No, I'm just discussing with the class. Maybe we have the UNR folks go on the 5th because I may have a conflict with part of class time on the 3rd. So if we could record the presentation so that I could see them from the others on the 3rd, that'd be awesome. But then the in-person presentation here in class for UNR can occur on the 5th, hopefully.
That's fine with me.
Okay. I'll clarify that later, but that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, so if you, otherwise, besides Rich, if you're a student with a strong preference for going on a particular day, please get in touch ASAP so that we can try to put it.
Yeah, I'll survey all the UNR students and make sure, because yeah, depending on what finals are for other classes and stuff, we'll just make sure that we fit everybody in.
Yeah, if we don't hear from you, then we'll assume that basically you don't care.
Okay.
Or not
Sounds
you,
good.
Rich, but like just the students. That's the expectation.
Yep. Okay.
All right. No questions?